Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a website using AI tools like ChatGPT, even if you have zero coding experience. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to be a professional developer anymore. AI is making everything faster, smarter, and easier. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and clearly describe what kind of website you want. For example, you can say, create a simple portfolio website using HTML and CSS, or make a modern login page design. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate code for you. This usually includes HTML for structure, CSS for design, and sometimes JavaScript for functionality. Next, copy that code and paste it into a code editor like Notepad, VS Code, or any editor you prefer. Then save the file with a .html extension. Now, open that file in your browser, and boom, your website is live on your screen. If you want to improve your design, just go back to ChatGPT and ask for changes like animations, colors, or responsiveness. It will update the code instantly. Finally, if you want to publish your website online, you can use free platforms like GitHub Pages or Netlify. So that's how simple it is to create a website using AI.